The top 5 benefits of eating avocados you need to know. 1. Avocados are packed with healthy fats that support heart health and lower cholesterol levels. 2. Rich in vitamins and minerals, avocados boost your immune system and overall well-being. 3. The high fiber content in avocados aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. 4. Avocados are great for skin health, promoting hydration and reducing signs of aging. 5. Eating avocados can enhance nutrient absorption from other foods, maximizing your meal's benefits. Start enjoying avocados today for a healthier lifestyle.